what happened was very quickly you were put into choosing policies. And very quickly, because the assembly was divided and then divided even further within small subgroups, it was discussion about very specific policies. And in the end, it is said that what the assembly created was a coherent whole, but it is more out of luck than out of design, because the assembly did not have enough opportunity to discuss all the proposition, nor to understand how each proposition was articulating with one another. Because of its division.
Yeah, so the exchange between those different subgroups were too little. So the citizens within the Citizen Assembly were divided in smaller groups, but there was no interaction between those groups. Is that what you're saying?
There was some, but not a lot. And I mean, in a paper, I compared the French case with the Irish case. And the thing is that the Irish case also had tables, because you cannot talk at 100 at the same time all the time. But the thing is that the table were discussing the same topic, hearing from the same expert, and then sharing back to the plenary and saying, okay, here at table 1, this is what we think. While the French and the table were shuffled from one weekend to another. So you were not always with the same person in your group. In the French case, it was not how it worked. You were fixed in your group from first weekend to last weekend, and you were fixed to a thematic, and you could not exceed this thematic, which means that sometimes there were plenary moments where you could actually listen to quickly what the other has been working on, but it was too limited.
And why does that concern you, Dimitri? Why is that important, this comparison between the Irish and the French model?
I think because if what you want is 150 or 100 or 200 brains working together on a problem, if you divide them of group of 30 or 5, then you have 5 brains working on this problem, and then the other 130 also brains are going to be working on other problems, and then the coherence might be a bit tricky to get at the end.